Welcome to this week's Cooking at Rieglemann's. We're in the Bosch kitchen. Today I'm joined by Loren from Milo's Cafe, and he's going to show us how to make a shakshuka. And what is that?
It's a tomato-based breakfast stew. You'll see it in a lot of Israeli or North African cuisine.
Tell us how we start.
Well, we're going to start by chopping some peppers and onions for sweet. And if you'll add some of that olive oil, all of it, we'll cook these just long enough to soften them up. And so 3 or 4 minutes doing that, and then we'll start adding the flavors.
Okay.
Okay, these are all nice and soft, and we develop a nice sweetness. So let's add some flavor. Garlic.
Garlic.
All of it.
My favorite.
We'll spread that one around, and then some cumin, and then some sweet paprika, and then about maybe a quarter of that cayenne. And then I got a can of crushed or diced tomatoes. And then, because we're going to cook it some more, let's add some of that water so it doesn't get too thick. Now we'll just let those flavors come together for 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so now we'll take and we'll just crack some eggs in, right into the stew, and they'll poach in that lovely tomatoey stew. And so I'm going to take it, we'll cover it up and turn it down a little bit and just let those eggs
Kind of poach them, yeah.
right in the stew.
Look at that.
Doesn't that look great?
Yeah.
What a nice way to start a day here. So we'll take a scoop of that nice, lovely stew. It's got a poached egg in it. Let's crumble a little feta on top. And then a naan bread, almost like a pita.
Oh, that looks so good. We're gonna let somebody try that and we'll be right back. Would you like to try our shakshuka we made?
How could I say no to that?
Tell us what you think.
Oh, just don't get hit in the road. That is wonderful.
Loren, thank you for sharing another great recipe.
Thank you for inviting me.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thanks for joining Loren and I in the Bosch kitchen at Rieglemann's in downtown Gresham, and we'll see you next time.
Cooking at Rieglemanns is brought to you by Rieglemanns Appliance in downtown Gresham.